Everyone, so back again. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna eventually get a real PCB valve reroute, and I'll come with a plug and everything. But so for now, doing just a $3 fix. It's a lot better than what I'm gonna get. But I mean, I've been working on my truck, just tinkering around with it. And this thing's been being a big pain in my butt. But I just literally took it off just because right now, for some reason, it's freezing cold right now. So it's super hard to get this thing off. So I finally just took it off, ripped it off. But I went to Home Depot and got this 2-inch one. I already tried putting it on and it fits, but that's what it is. Obviously, you can see it was only $3.50, so everything. But yeah, that's it. That's how much it costs. If you go to Home Depot, you can just buy this one right here. But yeah, let's go put it on. So there it is. All we gotta do is basically put it in here. Turn it a little more that way. And get it on. And I just went ahead and hand tighten it so it's not going to create any air leaks. Hopefully you can see where a lot of oil is coming out of it. I look inside here and it is pretty wet inside the tube from all the oil going in, but let's hear how it sounds, or if it's leaking. Okay, so far I don't hear any leaks. I don't feel any around it either, so we're gonna take a test drive, see. Okay, so test drove it for 20 minutes, went hard on the friggin' pedal, just hard, just to make sure if anything happens, I'm not gonna break anything. But yeah, it didn't do it. It moved and the freaking gets sucked in, which is worst case scenario. I can hear it maybe a little better, but some people say, oh, you can hear the turbo a lot better, but I don't know about that. But I really just wanted more to get rid of that resonator, and I could see there's a little bit of dust and dirt getting into it from that point, but it's more of just clean up the space and make sure I don't have to worry about it, and it just, yeah, it works a lot better than that huge ugly freaking thing right here. But yeah, super easy. It's a little, until I get the actual reroute and get the actual metal one, this will do for now. But yeah, it's easy fix. Go to Home Depot and get it, and you should be set.